Sneha, and in today's video we will be discussing about Wuthering Heights. Yeah, this novel. I really loved reading this novel. Forget to like, share, subscribe my channel for staying tuned with my further videos because in my further videos I'll be going to discuss many of the novels which are really interesting and good to read. So let's discuss some of the main points of this novel. It's a gothic novel written by Emily Bronte and it's written in Victorian era in 1847. So the story starts from here that there's a man, Mr. Lockwood, and he lives in Thrushcross Grange. And there is another man who is his landlord, and his name is Mr. Heathcliff, who lives at Wuthering Heights. Okay, what happens is कि जो Mr. Lockwood है वो उसके पास दो बार विजिट करता है अपने लैंडलॉर्ड हीथक्लिफ के पास दो बार विजिट करता है. That means he visits two times at Wuthering Heights. So at the first time of his visit, what happens is that Mr. Heathcliff is rude to him. Okay, and the second time when he visits to Mr. Heathcliff, what happens? His dog started barking him. So he tries to escape from there. जब वो भाग रहा होता है वहाँ से तो उसको एक ghostly सी appearance दिखती है. So when Lockwood saw that ghostly appearance in that house, he visits Nellie, maid of Mr. Heathcliff. He visits Nellie and what happens कि वो वहाँ पे जाता है and वो उसके उस घर के past के बारे में पूछता है कि ऐसा क्या हुआ था पास्ट में जिसकी वजह से इज इट ट्रू कि वो घोस्टली अपीयरेंस मुझे ही दिख रही है या फिर ऐसा सच्ची में है. सो नेली स्टार्टेड डिस्क्राइबिंग हिम अबाउट द पास्ट ऑफ दैट हाउस. तो यहाँ से मेन स्टोरी स्टार्ट होती है एंड इट मे बी समवट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, सो बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. What happens is Nelly describes about two families which existed in the past years. First family is Earnshaw and second is Linton family. And Earnshaw family and Linton family both lived in the Wuthering Heights. So let me describe first about Earnshaw family में. First था head उसका, that is Mr. Earnshaw. उसके बाद his son, that is Hindley. Third is Catherine, उसकी daughter. And एक child उसने adopt किया था. He was his adopted child whose name is Heathcliff. So Hindley was very jealous of Heathcliff because he thinks that his father and his sister loves Heathcliff more. So by understanding this kind of jealousy in Hindley, Mr. Earnshaw sends him to college very far. And in the meantime, what happens is जो Catherine है and her brother Heathcliff comes very close to each other with a very kind-hearted relation of brother and sister and lives in a happy manner. After some years, जब हिंडले वापस आता है तब तक being married, जब हिंडले वापस आता है तो जो मिस्टर Earnshaw है he dies and being married and when he listens when he get to know कि उसके जो पापा है he is died now, he has that much freedom कि अब वो हिटलर के साथ कुछ भी कर सकता था. So he tried to just treat him like slave और उसको इतनी insult करना बहुत ज़्यादा start कर दिया था उसने. And even he stopped his education and started behaving as much rude he can. Hindley's wife was pregnant and she gave birth to a baby boy named Hareton, and after giving birth to him she dies. And Hindley was almost at his level of height कि वो अब कुछ भी कर सकता है. उसके पास इतनी फ्रीडम है, इतनी ज़्यादा फ्रीडम है कि वो अब किसी के साथ कुछ भी कर सकता है because ना the wife ना dad. And he started drinking, smoking, all the time abusing Heathcliff. This was all about the first family, that is Earnshaw family. Now starting with the next family, that is Linton family. That Linton family lives in Thrushcross Grange. There were two kids in that family named Isabella and Edgar. Catherine and Heathcliff were very interested in Linton family. Catherine was much interested in that family because she spent 5 weeks in that family living with them, and she was much attracted to Edgar, son of that family, as he was a nice and wealthy person. But in spite of all this, she loves likes, we can say, Heathcliff. But one day she arrives, Nelly, that maid of that house, and she talks to him that I like him, but I can't marry because my brother Hindley has so many times insulted him in front of all the members of the family, so I can't marry him. And Heathcliff was just hiding there and listening to all this conversation. So after listening all this conversation, Heathcliff thinks that this is all just because of his lack of education and just he's poor. That's why this all happens to him. So he runs from Wuthering Heights at night, and अब कैथरीन बिल्कुल अकेली, and उसको लगता है कि he will not come back, Heathcliff वापस नहीं आएगा. So forcefully or by divine purpose she marries Edgar. और फिर वो कहाँ चले जाते हैं, थ्रशक्रॉस ग्रैंड में चले जाते हैं, एक साथ रहते हैं वहाँ पे. Now what happens is बहुत years बाद Heathcliff comes back being a rich man and he's fully boasted कि अब तो revenge लेना है, ठीक है. So वो सबसे पहले जाता है कैथरीन के पास and she was very excited to see him back. Edgar stops her कि नहीं जाना, उसके पास नहीं जाना, but he is not able to stop her. जो हेथक्लिफ है वो सबसे पहले वुथरिंग हाइट्स जाता है कि चलो हिंडले से मिलेंगे, उससे रिवेंज भी लेना है. जैसे ही जो हिंडले है वो देखता है कि हेथक्लिफ आ गया है, when he sees कि हेथक्लिफ is back, he really honored him because of his richness, and now Heathcliff is respected all around in both the families. So Edgar started living at Wuthering Heights, and what happens is the next day Catherine arrives to meet Heathcliff, and she tells him that Isabella, Edgar's sister, loves him and wants to marry him. In spite of having feelings in both of their hearts, but they don't describe to each other. Now, when she meets Heathcliff for the first time, so after so many years, they both hug each other, and Edgar didn't like this at all, and he just asked Catherine to choose one of them. Catherine didn't like this conversation of being Edgar saying all this to her that choose one of them, and she locked herself in the room and just didn't eat a single piece of food in her mouth for at least 3 days, and on the 3rd day she becomes very sick. She was feeling that she would die soon. That night, Heathcliff runs with Isabella and finally got married with her. And on the other side, Gerd for almost 2 months serves his wife, and she was just slowly recovering from her sickness, but because being pregnant she was just fragile. As Heathcliff got married to Isabella, he started taking revenge from her. I don't know why, but he was taking revenge from her. She can't go back to Edgar, her brother, as she ran off with Heathcliff, so she was just holding on that someday will come that Heathcliff would be fine. Edgar was feeling by using Isabella, Heathcliff wants to snatch their home, that is Thrushcross Grange. Now, Heathcliff just went to Catherine without telling anyone. He just went there to Catherine, and just for asking about her health, he went there, and Edgar saw him with Catherine, and he had just a misunderstanding in his mind that they both love each other and वो उसको धोखा दे रही है उसकी वाइफ होने के बावजूद. At that night, Catherine gave birth to a baby girl whose name is Kathy. After giving birth to the baby girl, Catherine dies, and she was buried in that place where Heathcliff and Catherine, in their childhood, दे प्लेड टुगेदर, जहाँ पे वो जब वो बचपन में जहाँ पे खेला करते थे वहाँ पे उनको कैथरीन को बरी कर दिया गया, ठीक है, दफना दिया गया. Isabella also goes to London after 2 days, and there, as she was very disappointed and anxious of Heathcliff, and she goes there and gives birth to a baby boy named Linton. Heathcliff ने इतना ज़्यादा लोन दे दिया था हिंडले को कि जो हिंडले था he was in fully debt of Heathcliff. So Heathcliff just snatches Wuthering Heights from him because of not getting the interest for loan or not getting the money back from him. So now Heathcliff is the only owner of Wuthering Heights because he snatches at home from Hindley because of being in debt. As he was the only owner of Wuthering Heights, he started insulting and behaving rude and treating like slaves to Hindley as he was just trying to take a revenge from him. 12 years, Cathy was young and beautiful, and Hindley and his son Hareton was being treated like slaves by Heathcliff. Edgar called Linton, his nephew from London, and Heathcliff asked Edgar to return Linton back as he was the only son of Heathcliff. Heathcliff wanted that Cathy and his son Linton would come close together so that they would marry each other, but Edgar refuses Cathy to meet Linton. But now Edgar was slowly becoming sick and he allowed Cathy to meet Linton. So they started meeting each other. Time flies and Edgar died and he was buried near Catherine's grave. इस बात को ध्यान में रखना कि कैथरीन का ग्रेव था और एक साइड कैथरीन के ग्रेव के एक साइड एडगर को बरी किया है. ओके, कैथी was now totally alone because Edgar also died. Now she started living with Heathcliff and Linton. Some time passes and Linton also dies. Now she was totally alone और वो forcefully बस उस घर में रह रही थी Heathcliff के साथ. Heathcliff is the only owner of both the houses, that is the Wuthering Heights and Thrushcross Grange. कैथी के पास कोई और ऑप्शन भी नहीं था कि वो कहीं और जाके रह सके, इसलिए she was just forcefully living with Heathcliff only. Heathcliff, Cathy and Hareton, Hindley's son, started living together. Oh, till now everything was in past. Now come back to present and everything started in the present time. That the maid of the house Wuthering Heights, Nellie, was discussing the story of the past time with Mr. Lockwood. Lockwood फिर वापस लंदन चला जाता है और 6 months बाद फिर वो वापस Wuthering Heights आ जाता है. Catherine and Hareton are in love with each other, and Heathcliff is also not having any kind of problem because he sees Catherine and himself in both of them. And after all of this, Heathcliff also dies and he was buried on the other side of Catherine. The story ends with the marriage of Cathy and Hareton, and the story happily ends by a marriage going on, and they went to Thrushcross Grange and started living there. This was all about today, and the story was, I think, awesome. And you must also tell in the comment box that कैसी लगी तुम्हें स्टोरी.